Make a great choice today with the 2011 Volkswagen Golf. It's the original fun-to-drive hatchback. Drive one today and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.